You're watching Lessons in Leadership, exclusively on CBT News. Here now is Dave Anderson.
Let's talk about the 18th trait of high-performance business cultures. We're going over 21 traits. Here's number 18. In high-performance business cultures, poor performers are fired fast. Now, if you go back to the very first trait, we talked about making it extremely difficult to get hired. Well, I believe if we're doing that, the removing people who are non-performers is not nearly as necessary. It doesn't happen very often because we hire the right people to begin with. Now, I'm not being brutal here talking about firing fast. I do believe in hiring slower, firing faster. But what I'm talking about is we have standards that are so clear that if people can't hit them, they eliminate themselves. And in organizations where standards aren't that clear, we tend to keep the wrong people far too long. If we want faster accountability, we need more clear clarity, faster feedback, and swifter consequences for those not getting the job done. They're not surprised. They knew where they had to be and by when, and if they don't get there, in a sense, they've decided to leave the organization. That's what you find in high-performing business cultures.
You can see the entire series of Dave Anderson's Lessons in Leadership right here at cbtnews.com. And be sure to check out Dave's book, Elevate Your Excellence, available on Amazon or at learntolead.com. Thanks for watching.